What's up, guys? It's Travis from Lane Shark, and today is the day we announce our winner for the giveaway. We're going to be giving away the LS4 that Sandy has been using, and we have had a ton of good entries, so it was really tough to choose from, but we have narrowed it down to one, and we're about to make that phone call. So follow along. Hopefully he answers. I'll have to come back and do this later.
Hello?
Hello, is this Jeffrey?
Speaking.
Hey man, how you doing today?
Well, I'm doing good. Why am I getting a call from Florida?
Well, did you recently enter to win something?
Yeah, maybe.
What did you enter to win? Oh, come on. The call failed.
Jeffrey, no.
That's hilarious.
Are you in the Wi-Fi or?
I
Yeah.
don't know.
Let's try. Here, I'll step outside the shop.
All right.
There we go. Is this Land Shark? Lane Shark?
It is.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, we were just calling to let you know you were the runner-up and you didn't actually win, though.
Oh, you're mean.
Oh, man. No, we were calling. You are the winner.
Thank you.
We had about 180?
Yes.
180, 200 comments, and we all kind of went through them and narrowed it down to you guys, and basically we just felt like we would be able to help the most amount of people the most amount of times through you guys.
Yep. Because it'll be here for years. Let's say I maintain my equipment to the T. So
I got you. Yeah, and it sounds.
Be here.
Yeah, and all those volunteers that have to come up there and actually cut stuff, you can use them for better stuff now.
Yeah. I should send you. I have one pile ready to burn out in the park. I send you a picture of what those folks did for me.
Awesome.
Well, thank you.
Absolutely. So we are. I'm not sure exactly. It's going to be a couple weeks before we actually get it to you, but we're going to have to get your kit and everything ordered, and we'll get it delivered to you. Do you have someone around there that, like a tractor dealer, that you would get to install it, or are you going to do the install yourself?
Oh, I'll just do the install myself.
Okay.
I know if I have any questions, who to call.
All right. Cool.
Yeah.
Well, man, sorry. Go ahead.
Shop here, and so I got a good shop, and my one volunteer here, who's how old are you now, Carol? 65.
Well, we'll definitely make it easier for y'all.
All right. Well, thank you.
Absolutely. Do you have any questions for us while we have you?
Not right at the moment. When you guys get stuff put together, you just give me a holler, and we'll. Now, when you ship stuff, do you ship it truck?
Yeah, it'll come on an 18-wheeler.
Right.
Do you have a forklift there, or?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I got the forks on the tractor,
Perfect.
and all I would ask is that you crate it well so she doesn't get damaged.
We will definitely do that for you.
Good.
All right. Awesome. Well,
I'm very excited.
yes, sir. Well, congratulations, and thank you for all that you do for everyone, and hopefully this will make life easier on all of y'all.
Oh, it will. And we'll send you a video too.
Great. Well, we appreciate it, and we'll give you a shout here in the next couple of days to get all the information and make sure everything's coming the way it needs to be.
All right. Well, thank you much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Jeff.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Well, there you have it. Thanks everyone for participating, and like I say, we really felt like this would help the most amount of people the most amount of times. You can take a look at their YouTube channel. They actually have some videos. It's North Star Outreach Org on YouTube. We can pin that comment, can't we? So you guys can take a look and see who's actually getting it. Again, thank you everyone for participating. Hopefully, I don't know what else to say. we're just excited to get this to these guys. So thank you guys, and that's all I got to say. I'm running out of stuff. Thanks.